Wouldn't it be nice to have a headphone that can eliminate almost all background noise during a phone call? Well, that is exactly what Elevo Clear earbuds can do, and in this review, I will show you all you need to know about them. They are not in mass production yet, but you can get them for almost 50% off if you sign up on their Indiegogo campaign, and then the earbuds will cost just $60. I will throw in the links in the description below if you're interested. So out of the box you will get a 12-month warranty card, a quick start manual or a user guide, a very small USB-A to a USB-C charging cable, and 6 extra pairs of silicone ear tips in different sizes. And finally, the Elevo earbuds in its charging case. As you can see that the Elevo Clear's design is very much like the Apple AirPods Pro, but the Elevo Clear case is a little bit bigger in size from every angle. They weigh just about the same as the AirPods Pro, but keeps them fairly light and very portable. The earbuds also look identical except for a few nuances, but overall the Elevo Clear has a very good build quality. There is a subtle branding on the top where they house their touch controls, but otherwise they have a very streamlined look going on with their two-tone color. The magnets holding the earbuds in its cradle are not that strong. A couple of shakes and they just fall out. But the magnet on the lid is very powerful as it did not open no matter how much I shaked it, so it is very good. And in terms of fit and comfort, I think if you find the right sized ear tips for your ears, then you will be all set for an excellent experience. They fit exactly like my AirPods Pro and I think it looks very good too. I took this out on some light exercise and they sat tight on my ears. I have no complaints wearing the Elevo Clear for a long period of time, and I'm sure you will also face no wear fatigue. The Elevo Clear has a decent battery life. With ANC enabled and volume at almost 70%, I managed to get almost 5 hours out of the earbuds, which is very good. And with the charging case, you can recharge the earbuds 4 times, which means potentially you will be getting around 25 hours of total playtime. But then again, all these numbers depend on how you use the earbuds, of course. The case does not support wireless charging or fast charging, but you can use the USB Type-C charging port to recharge the case from 0 to 100 in just 2 hours. The Elevo Clear offers touch controls with which you can play or pause music, skip tracks forward, or toggle between noise cancellation and transparency modes. The touch control area is not very big, so it does take some getting used to get them working, but other than that, they work pretty well. They also have a companion app which at this point does not allow you to do much, but hopefully, fingers crossed, they will do some sort of a software upgrade in the future and allow some more customization on the earbuds via the app. The Elevo Clear connects via the older Bluetooth 5.0 technology, but still manages to connect fairly quickly with my iPhone. All I had to do was open the case and then connect the earbuds from my Bluetooth list. It also supports AAC and SBC codecs, but I'm not really sure if it supports LDAC or aptX though, as I could not test it out because I don't have an Android phone. They also do not have multi-point connectivity, which means you will have to manually switch between devices. Noise cancellation is average, I guess, on the Elevo Clear, but to be fair, this feature is not something they are bragging about too much. It's more like something they just added on for the heck of it. I feel that it provides more passive noise cancellation than active, but at least the good thing is that the hum that you hear when ANC is on is not there at all. But the transparency mode is another story though. It sounds very natural and does a very good job of keeping you aware of your surroundings. I had a lot of fun listening to music on Elevo Clear earbuds from Spotify. They can get very loud and the bass has a real kick, which I enjoyed the most. They almost sound like the Sony XM4 earbuds, but without the sharpness. The 10mm dynamic driver inside is not doing enough to pump out the treble or the mid-range frequency, for which the overall sound signature lacks a bit of edge or that sharpness. I really hope that they update the firmware in the future and give us a graphic equalizer on the app. In that way, the sound can be tuned to be a lot better than what it is currently offering. They have IP55 water and dust resistance, which is different from the IPX4 rating though, but nevertheless, it will be safe from splash of water or from a very sweaty workout session. Call quality is the best feature of Elevo Clear. These earbuds use artificial intelligence to detect and isolate your voice in noisy environments. Each earbud features 3 microphones with different characteristics and a specially designed voice accelerometer. Once you speak, the accelerometers detect the vibration and capture your voice without disturbance of environmental signals. They have combined their patented VOC+ algorithm and hardware designed to analyze and process data captured from 6 microphones and 2 accelerometers with high precision. And with the app, you can even customize the amount of ambient sound you want to let in or block out. And the outcome? Just take a listen. Testing the microphone of the Elevo earbuds at ENC level 100%. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Testing the microphone of the Apple AirPods Pro. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So as you just heard for yourself, the Elevo Clear does an excellent job at cancelling surrounding sound to focus on only voice. While the sound test with AirPods Pro may sound a lot more louder, it still lets in way more environmental sound than the Elevo Clear. The voice on the Elevo does sound a little bit muffled, especially when there are multiple sources of noise and the environmental noise cancelling is on high, but still, what it does to cancel background noise is simply unprecedented. So overall, all I want to say about the Elevo Clear is that I am very impressed. The way it is able to isolate noise and elevate your voice is something I have never seen before. I have done so many mic tests and exactly at the same position, but never have I ever experienced this level of noise cancellation. And the price as what this is being offered at, I think it is worth it to own just to take those Zoom phone calls where silence is essential, but it's just not possible. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.